Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to installation Kubernetes on Ubuntu Linux machine. For that requirements, 16 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM, one master node and worker node setup by using VirtualBox and Vagrant. This is the official website, so you can go through it. And in my case, I will select Windows host. So if you choose any OS, Mac like. So here I download the package Windows. And another one is Vagrant. So this is the official website, so you can choose any OS like Mac or Windows. So here you can choose i686 or AMD64. So here in my case I will choose AMD64 and download the package. So here I downloaded both packages like Vagrant and VirtualBox. So click on it to installation of VirtualBox. So you need to give permission to installation of VirtualBox. So it takes little bit time. So I already installed. So for that it will show like that. So after completely installation of setup, then you have to install Vagrant. So after give permissions, so it finally asks the reboot. So if you click on it, your machine will reboot. Once the machine will reboot, so you can create the folder and you have to choose any one like git bash. In my case I choose git bash. If anybody will go through Visual Code, you can go through Visual Code, and in my case I use git bash only. So you have to run name is vagrant init, that is the command to create the vagrant file. So initially it does not have any file in my machine. So after run this command, it will create the file. So it takes little bit time, don't confuse. So once if it will create the file, you can open it. So syntax look like this. You have to select all and remove it and keep the syntax. I'll keep the description, and you can copy and paste this description in your file and save and come out. Now after that you have to run this command vagrant up. So it will create the master and worker node. So it takes little bit time, don't confuse anything. So it will take little bit time. So once master and worker node is set up, then you have to log into the master node by using vagrant sh master command. So this command helpful to log into the master, and same like is take worker node. So here also same like you have to run the command vagrant sh worker. So remember this path where you have to create the file, that path only you have to mention it. So I log into the master node. Same like you have to run in worker node also vagrant sh worker. So path is same but command is change. Vagrant sh worker here I used, and there I used vagrant sh master. So now I am logging to the worker node also. Now we have to run these commands, but I forgot to mention sudo. So after logging to sudo root user, then I run these commands apt-get dist upgrade and apt-get upgrade. These commands finally work and finally install the packages. So once installation package is completed, then and the same commands run on worker node also, sudo -i. Now I'm run all the commands on the root user. So use apt-get update the packages, and as well as initially installation of kubeadm. This is the official website. So if you go to the web browser kubeadm installation, so you will get this official website installation kubeadm. Click on it. So I choose version v1.33. Before going to installation setup, this kubeadm package in your machine, you have to swipe the memory. So if you scroll down, so you have to run these commands. I'll keep in description. Please go through it and copy these commands and create the file in master node touch by using Linux command touch and swipe.sh. You can give any name, but in my case I choose swipe.sh and provide the execution permissions to file chmod 777. This is the Linux command to execute the shell script. So copy these commands and run this, save and come out. After execution successfully, now we have to install the package, CRI-O package. So if you will scroll down, so this is the official GitHub repository. I will keep in description. Please go through it. And if you will scroll down, this is the CRI-O version 1.34. So by using export command and paste this command CRI-O version. So here I am installing 1.33. So v1.33. After hit the command, if you will scroll down, you have to install Debian package. So for that, Debian packages. So here you have to install packages like apt-get update and software properties package. You have to install it. So I run these commands. So, software properties command. So and add the repository. Don't directly run these commands, and you can copy and paste notepad, and you have to arrange the proper way. After only you have to execute this command on your machine. Don't directly run on your machine, it won't work. Just copy and paste your notepad, then after that only you have to run this command. So once the properly arranged, then you can run this command. Same as it is, another command also. Copy and execute on your master server. Then finally update and install CRI-O. Don't copy this kubelet kubeadm kubectl. Just you can install this apt-get install -y CRI-O command only. So once installation successfully CRI-O package, don't start immediately. So we need to do some configurations. Then after that only you have to start the CRI-O server service. CRI-O. If you will scroll down here, you will get CRI-O. So here you have to configure C drive, config a C group drive. Then if you will scroll down, you will get this information. So I'll keep this URL in description. So this is the path /etc CRI-O CRI-O.config.d directory. So you can log into that directory by using cd command in Linux. So at present I'm in CRI-O.cnf.d directory only. So you can run the ls command. Inside of this directory it has file 10-CRI-O.cnf file. So you can use VI editor mode and keep this syntax conmon underscore c group, copy and paste. These steps we can implement it on worker node also, same as this, and you can note down these points. And after keep the syntax and save and come out. Now you can start the service. systemctl start CRI-O.service. Now you can start the service. After that you have to install kubeadm package. For that, this is the official website, and now I am installing version v1.33. so if you will scroll down, so you will get the commands to installation of packages in your machine. In worker run apt-get install. Then after that, in latest version keyrings directory it not found, so you have to run this command sudo mkdir-p-m, and you have to run this command. It will create the keyrings directory in apt-get directory. The path is /etc apt and keyrings. Once directory created, you have to run this command, and after that you have to run this command echo. Then finally you have to upgrade the package by using sudo apt-get update. After that, run this command installation of kubeadm package. So installation is successfully completed. Then you have to kubeadm config image. You have to run this command. It will download all components like API server and control manager. Then after that you can use kubeadm init. This at present I am taking worker master node IP is 192.168. So it will generate the token. You have to run these commands. These commands automatically generated after complete of kubeadm init command successfully executed. Then you have to run these commands mkdir-p home. You have to create the directory .kube, export kube config in the root user. It will work. So I run these three commands. After that you have to give the CNI plugin, kubectl apply CNI plugin. This CNI plugin, it will useful to so now master state is not ready. So you have to copy this token and paste in your notepad. Before going to run this token in your worker node, I am creating on worker node touch swap.sh and give the owner permission, execution permission to the script. Then by using VI editor, inside VI editor swap, I keep the syntax and save and come out and execute this file, script file. Then after that, now you can check master node is ready. So I don't want to waste of time. Then directly I will create the CRI-O.sh file by using touch command. And previously in master setup I explained about how to installation of CRI-O package. So here in worker node same as this, but here directly I execute this all the commands by using shell script. Just I copy and paste this all the commands and save and come out. Now you can execute // and CRI-O.sh. Then after that, previously I explained master how we can set up. So here I given some syntax, but it won't start because I did one mistake. If that config file is not properly we can that issue. So you can rectify where you get that issue and save and come out. Then you have to start the systemctl start CRI.service. Then after that you have to install the kubeadm package. Same these commands I am run on worker node also. In previously I run these commands on master node. Now I am running these commands on worker node. Don't confuse. So you have to install all the setups like master and worker. Same these commands up to installation of kubeadm. Now I am installing kubeadm package on worker node. Just you can copy this token and paste on notepad. Don't directly run. You have to set up syntax properly, then after that you can run on worker node. Now you can go and check master. So if worker node is not ready, you have to use kubectl restart service or service